In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar event in Gmail. This guide will help you efficiently organize your schedule, ensuring you never miss an important meeting or personal event. By seamlessly integrating Gmail with Google Calendar, you can quickly transform an email into a calendar entry with ease. Let's dive right in and explore this straightforward process that will make planning your day a breeze. To get started, open Gmail and find the email you want to add to your calendar. Once you've located it, open the email and at the top of the screen, look for a row of icons. Next, you need to click on the three-dot menu, sometimes referred to as the More menu, which you'll find in this row. By clicking on it, a list of options will appear. From this menu, choose the option labeled Create Event. This activates Google Calendar and automatically generates a draft event based on your email. You'll see a new tab with a pre-filled calendar event. In this tab, there's an opportunity to review the event's details or modify them to suit your preferences. When you arrive at the event page in Google Calendar, you'll find that the email subject has automatically been converted into the event title. Feel free to adjust the event title if necessary, making it clear and specific. Now, let's move on to setting the date and time for your event. Click on the date and time fields to arrange when the event will start and end, ensuring it accurately reflects your schedule. Next, take a moment to add guests to your event. On the right-hand side of the event page, you'll find a section where you can input the email addresses of people you'd like to invite. This feature is handy for coordinating with coworkers or friends, helping everyone stay informed about the upcoming gathering. Don't forget to check the location field. If your event has a physical location, you can enter it here. Google Maps integration allows attendees to easily navigate to the venue, making this step both practical and thoughtful. At this stage, you might want to adjust the notification settings. Google Calendar allows you to receive reminders via email or a pop-up notification. Carefully select how far in advance you'd like to be reminded to ensure you have enough time to prepare for the event. Finally, double-check all the information on your event page to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied with everything, click Save at the top of the page. Congratulations, you've now created a calendar event directly from a Gmail email. This handy process streamlines your scheduling efforts, making it simple and efficient. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use this feature, the more intuitive it will become. Thank you for tuning in today, and feel free to explore more of our videos for additional tips and tricks to enhance your productivity.